Welcome to the training video on the Products tab, which is located within a client's file in Clientflow. Once a client has been successfully added to the Clientflow system, a file number will be automatically assigned to the client and a file will be created in the system. A client file can be accessed by any user on CEO level and by any user who has been linked and granted access, with the appropriate permissions. User settings can also be adjusted, allowing different users to view different information on the file. When you open a client file, you will automatically be taken to the Products tab. Here, you can view a list of all the products the client has purchased, all the active tasks linked to the client file, and the Notes section, which contains the client's history. We will examine each section and the information it contains in detail. At the top of the client file, a banner will always be visible displaying the client's name, contact details, ID number, and file number. Additional information visible in this banner includes the last time the file was updated, the date of the last phone contact, the name of the agent who made the contact, as well as the client's marital status, race, and language. First, let's take a look at the Products section. This section displays all the products that the client has signed up for. Here, you will be able to view information such as the product status, the date of the client's registration, the agent linked to the file, the admin agent linked to the file, who verified the file, and other relevant information specific to each product. You can delete, edit, or view a product by simply clicking on the relevant button on the right-hand side of the product name. When you click the delete button, a pop-up screen will appear asking you to confirm if you want to delete the product. To proceed with the deletion, click OK, or click Cancel if you do not want to delete the product. To edit, simply click on the Edit button, make the necessary changes, and then click on Save. At the top of the Products section, you have the following options: Edit File Details, New Product Take On, and Add Product. The Edit File Details button allows you to edit the file number and the company to which the file belongs. Simply edit the relevant information and click on Save. When you click on New Product Take On an existing client file, you will first receive a warning. Simply click OK to proceed or cancel if you made a mistake. When you click on OK, you will be redirected automatically to the New Product Take On form. When you click on the Add Product button on an existing client file, you will first receive a warning. Simply click OK to proceed or cancel if you made a mistake. When you click on OK, it will add a new product to the product list, but no product details will be completed, and the product will not be verified. You will then have to click on Edit, select the product from the drop-down menu, change the status, select the agent, select the affiliate if applicable, allocate an admin user, and then save. Please note that if you use the Add Product button to add a product, you will need to manually create a debit check on the Payment History tab. The Add Product functionality is only available on specific user profiles for this reason. To view the fee for each product, simply click on the arrow next to the fee located at the bottom of the product. This is also where you can make any necessary changes to the fees before sending the debit check to the client. Additionally, companies may have distinct workflows for each product that agents are required to follow. By clicking on the drop-down arrow next to Workflow, you can access the workflow associated with a specific product. Within this section, agents can indicate the completion of different phases within each stage in the workflow. To mark a phase as completed, click on the message icon, check the corresponding box, and then click on Submit. This action will mark the phase as completed and display the date next to it. Next, we are going to look at the To-Do List section. This section displays all the to-dos or tasks linked to the client's file. The due date, description, and the agent linked to the task will be visible here. To add a new task, simply click on the green Add button in the top right-hand corner. This will open a pop-up where you can select the due date, assign a user, select the priority, add a description, and take notes. Then, simply click Submit to add the task. To edit a task, simply click on the Edit button next to the task, make the relevant changes, and click on Submit. To mark a task as complete, click on the Edit button next to the task, tick the Done checkbox, and click on Submit. The task will then be marked as complete and will appear on the completed task list under the active tasks. You can show or hide completed items by selecting either Show Completed Items or Hide Completed Items at the bottom of the to-do list. The final section on the Products tab is the Notes section. The Notes section not only records manually added notes but also tracks all activities related to a file, including phone calls with clients, sent emails or SMSs, and documents uploaded to the system. In the Notes section, you have the option to add both a phoned client note and a regular note. To add a phoned client note, simply click on the Phoned Client button. This will open a pop-up where you can enter any call notes. You can also schedule a follow-up task by checking the Schedule Follow-up checkbox. This will open the Schedule Follow-up section. Fill it out and click Submit to add the note in the Notes section and a task in the client's to-do list. To add a regular note, simply click on Add next to the Phoned Client button, enter the details, and click Submit. In conclusion, the Products tab within a client's file in Clientflow provides a comprehensive and organized platform for managing client products, tasks, and notes, facilitating streamlined workflow and effective client management.